Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. US markets, Dow was slightly down, Nasdaq was slightly up, S&P 500 also slightly up. Right now the futures are slightly lower. We can say it's a flat only, and you can, because there is everyday expiry in US market, you can see the premiums. Yesterday the premiums were too low, and today also the premiums are too low. So that indicates, markets are not likely to make any big move. But probably if you see for Thursday, that is tomorrow, the premium may be higher. That's because, some personal consumption expenditure data is coming. So that's a key data in the US market. Asian markets are mostly flat, and even the GIFT Nifty is also just indicating about 20-30 point higher opening for us. And ADRs is a usual thing. I think HDFC Bank ADR is down and ICICI Bank and Infosys slightly higher. So overall, the markets are in a mood to consolidate, as I told you. So, but even within this consolidation, the markets can be very, very volatile. I think mostly because of this huge number of intraday traders and coming and, buying things using the algo. They're buying at market price, selling at market price, So sometimes it distorts the prices. So particularly yesterday, the markets were looking good just because of IT stocks, not even IT stocks, just because of TC. Other than that, if you see, all the large cap stocks fell actually. And the banking stocks are really looking very bad. They're really struggling to recover. So one day TCS goes up, next day SBI goes up, one day Reliance goes up, one day Bharat Forge goes up, But, none of the days HDFC Bank is going up. One day HDFC Bank has to go 3, 4, 5% higher. So that is when the Bank Nifty can recover. If you look at the price action, for the last 1 week, Bank Nifty future was trading between 46,500 and 47,400. So that's a 900 point range. But yesterday, that 46,500 was decisively broken. And after breaking, it slided another 200 points. Of course, end of the day recovered, closed above 46,500. But however, what I'm talking here, 46,500 to 47,400, it is about Bank Nifty future, not the Bank Nifty spot. In the last 1 week, 1 week before, the Bank Nifty future was trading about 200 point premium. So that entire premium has been wiped out. Now Bank Nifty future is trading at par with the spot Bank Nifty. So if you take that into account, Bank Nifty spot slided more than 1,000 point in last 1 week. And that is the kind of underperformance Bank Nifty. So as long as Bank Nifty is underperforming, there is no way Nifty is also can move higher. But however, despite all these things, because of the broader market, and markets are holding and trading with a positive bias. So yesterday, once again, Nifty was trying to inch towards the all-time high. Now, if you look at, 1 day market falling, people selling call options aggressively. Next day, markets moving higher, people are selling put options aggressively. But if you take a view, you stick to that view, there is a probability you can make better money. Say, for example, for the last 1 week, I've been telling you 22,000 to 22,500 is the range. Of course, when some conservative traders might have taken another 200 point buffer, would have sold 21,800 put option or 22,700 call option, and all those people have made good money. However, so yesterday, one of my friends asked me for a strategy. So I just gave the strategy. So please remember, I'm not a SEBI registered. I'm a SEBI penalized guy. Okay. So just I'm sharing for the knowledge purpose. And so the people say, if anybody want to live for a long time, want to survive, don't give them fish, teach them how to fish. So that is what we do in our workshop. So once you take a view and how to create strategies so that you can benefit out of the view. So I'm just giving this example. Right now, my view is Nifty is likely to trade with a positive bias between 22,000 and 22,500 with a strong resistance at 22,300. So I'm expecting 22,300 to be the resistance. In case if that is crossed, the maximum it can go to 22,500. That's for this series, that is tomorrow expiry. Okay. So I was suggested to my friend, buy 22,100 call option. Sell double the quantity, 22,300 call option. So basically, if you forget about the premium, so your upper break-even is 22,500, assuming that if it is a no credit, no debit strategy. But however, yesterday morning, probably it was no credit, no debit strategy, but towards the end, so the premium would have eroded. So there was some debit. So that debit was collected by selling 22,000 put option. So buy one lot of 22,100 call, sell two lots of 22,300 call, sell one lot of 22,000 put option. So here the upper break even will be 22,500, lower break even will be 22,000. But in case if market settles somewhere between 22,200 and 22,300, so that is where you make a maximum profit. So this is one way of constructing a strategy. Of course, I can't discuss margin, ROI, those kind of things, so that will take a very long time. So this strategy I suggested to my friend. My friend has taken that strategy. So let us see whether he's going to make money by tomorrow. Surely tomorrow evening I will update this. Okay, so the reason for this kind of suggestion is very simple. It's based on my view that 22,000 to 22,500 is the range for this week. Right. So we will see today. Yesterday, though markets were, like the Bank Nifty every day, making 300 point down, 300 point up, 400 point down, 400 point up. But yesterday, on a close to close basis, the Bank Nifty future closed almost flat. So at least that is a sign of a kind of a stability, right? So that is why I'm taking a view that, so maybe markets may trade with some kind of a positive bias. So we will see where today the market is going to end, and tomorrow also not going to make any big move. I think that probably the big move may come on Friday, and Saturday is also a trading session this time. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.